I think architecture is a pretty broad and wild beast. There is no rule to become an architect or a path. You have to find your own path.
Oh, we met at the university in the first days, Braunschweig. That's where Graft started.
When you start your office, you have a lot of time. So you design your business cards for months and months, and you think about your name. So we thought about a programmatic name that could last forever. And grafting, hybridization, transplants, bringing assumed opposites together, cross-culture hybrids. So also that it is a fuzzy term that means many things, has many readings, is something that suits us.
We're really interested in how architecture is a tool and a process for a society, what it explains, what it tells us, architecture as a text.
I think there is no rule to become an architect or a path. You have to find your own path. The beauty is there is a lot to see and learn. And actually, if you listen carefully how that resonates with yourself, you find your own spot.
We always ask ourselves, how can we start initiatives? How can we really change the world and not just start thinking when other people ask us to start thinking about something?
Designers are problem solvers. And you open the newspaper and you see tons of problems to be solved. And a lot of them can use the architectural tool set, but also a lot more. And that's where we learned that you do not look at the world with the glasses of an architect. You look at the world openly, and then what other people call interdisciplinary is for us just, you need that other toolbox. It's really about looking at that newspaper.
In Ethiopia, we met a lawyer from Berlin who was trying to sell solar products in Africa. We, some weeks, a month later, worked on a little kiosk design to bring electricity to rural areas in Africa. Now we have 170 kiosks in 7 countries in sub-Saharan Africa, bringing energy and development and jobs. I have to say, for me, really, it felt like a little bit like coming home. The level of communication, openness, that people are really very curious and talk to each other. The whole atmosphere in the school, you come in, and the lectures are open, you see the presentations, you see many people working, you see what they're doing. That really supports the communication among the students. What we hope, what we can do as teachers is to inspire somebody to really be involved and really start to find that moment where you think, no, I don't want to sleep anymore. I really want to get to the point and come up with a nice design and be fascinated and don't think of anything else anymore. And it feels like the school here trains a lot of that.
You have to do what you love, otherwise it's a waste of time. If you do the other thing, you will regret it all your life. Find that love and follow it, and you will be good.
Architecture is definitely a teamwork sport. Look at us, we met at school and we found out that you're smaller by your own. I think the school is the best moment to create your network. That network stays forever. So use that moment of freedom to investigate everything, build networks, build friendship, other things you can do later.
Find your own way. It's about the fire that's burning inside you. You cannot wait for anybody to light it up. You need to feed it yourself, and it needs to then burn for your whole life. So take the time, work.